In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to navigate guides and information, ensuring that you always have the correct data at your fingertips. This skill is indispensable whether you're working on a project, trying to solve a problem, or just curious about something new. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your homepage or a new tab. Once you're there, type google.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the Google homepage, where you'll see the familiar search box front and center, ready to handle your queries. Now that you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to input a search term to find the specific guide you're looking for. In today's case, let's say you're interested in figuring out how to CC in Gmail. In the Google search bar, type "How to CC in Gmail" and hit the Enter key. Google will bring up a range of results, showcasing different resources and guidance on this topic. You'll notice some links that might include step-by-step instructions, images, or video tutorials. The first few search results are generally the most relevant, so take a moment to glance at those headings and descriptions. Generally, websites like Gmail's official support page or well-regarded tech tutorial sites will give you the most accurate information. Let's click on a link that seems reputable and straightforward. As the web page opens, you'll be introduced to the guide's content. Pay attention to the layout. It might be broken down into sections or steps to make it easy for you to understand and follow. If the site includes images or screenshots, they can be particularly helpful because they provide a visual representation of what you're supposed to do. You can follow along with the text and images to ensure you're on the right track. Now, let's say you've clicked through a few results and you're not finding the exact angle or depth of information you were hoping to get. Don't worry, refining your search terms can often help. Scroll back to the top of the search results page and try typing something different, perhaps specifying additional context, such as how to copy and CC in Gmail with examples. As you explore various search results, you'll likely come across a range of content formats, from detailed guides to quick tips and even videos. Each form has its merits, so choose what works best for your learning style. You'll be amazed at how much more you can achieve once you're proficient at using Google to access the information you need. Remember, the key to being successful with Google searches is being patient and persistent. Sometimes you'll find what you need on the first page, but other times it might require a bit of ingenuity in crafting your search terms.